Now let's play the name-guessing game. Can you guess this dinosaur's name? A. Ankylosaurus. B. Velociraptor. C. Tyrannosaurus Rex. Or D. Hippopotamus. Did you figure it out? A. The Ankylosaurus. With a club for a tail and a back full of spikes, this dino was strong, like an army tank. Yikes! Question 3. Which one was fierce, with long teeth sharp as knives? When most dinos saw him, they ran for their lives. A. Triceratops. B. Apatosaurus. C. Lionosaurus. Or D. Tyrannosaurus Rex. Did you get it? D. The Tyrannosaurus Rex! The T-Rex was a hunter. He hunted for meat. Other dinosaurs were his ideal treat. Question 4. Which dinosaur's head had 3 horns upon it, sticking up out of a hard sort of bonnet? A. Triceratops. B. Maiasaura. C. Archaeopteryx. Or D. The little Bo Peeposaurus. Think you know the answer? A. The Triceratops. Though he was smaller and not half as fierce, his head was too hard for the T-Rex to pierce. Question 5. Which dino was taller than 51 feet? Nearly a truckload of hay is how much he would eat. A. Velociraptor. B. Iguanodon. C. Brachiosaurus. Or D. Giraffodon. Here comes the answer. C. The Brachiosaurus. Wonderful! That's how he grew so big, you see. The cat in the hat just comes up to his knee. Question 6. This last one's rather tough. It's not well known which dino bird might have glided, which one might have flown. A. Tyrannosaurus Rex. B. Archaeopteryx. C. Deinonychus. Or D. Peregrine falcon. Ready for the reveal? B. The Archaeopteryx. One thing we must ask, and we must be quite firm. If this was the earliest known bird, did he catch the worm?